Hello students, welcome to Rhythm Classes. My name is Arvind Singh and today's our question is: a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Students, in this question, first of all, we need to let the speed of train. Okay. Now, let's begin the solution. Solution becomes, let the speed of train equals to x kilometer per hour. Now, students, we have the distance, that is distance is equal to 480 kilometer. Okay. Now from here, if we calculate the total time taken at the first condition, then we can say from the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. Now from here, students, if we say what is time, then we can say time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay. Now if we put these value on this formula, then we get, if we assume the time, the first time the train taken the time, that is T1. Okay. Then T1 becomes, T1 is equal to, distance is 480 kilometer and speed is x kilometer per hour. That means we have the value of T1, that is 480 upon x hours. Okay. Now students, from here if you read another statement, that is if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, that means in the next condition, now the speed equals to, in the next condition, question is saying the speed had been 8 km per hour less, that means the original speed is x and now we less it by 8 km per hour, then it becomes x minus 8 km per hour. Now if we see the distance is same as previous one, then the distance become 480 kilometer, and now we have the time. This question is saying then it would have taken 3 hours more. That means this time, the time the train takes, that is 3 hours more. Okay. Now time becomes, time, that means T2, the second time becomes 3 hours more, that means this T1 plus 3 hours. T1 plus 3 hours. Now from here student, if we again put the formula, now students, from here if we again put this formula in this condition, then it will be time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Now from here we can say the time T2 is T1 plus 3 hours. T1 plus 3 hours equals to distance is 480 kilometer. 480 upon speed is x minus 8 kilometer per hour. X minus 8. Okay, now if we put the value of T1, then we have the value of T1, that is 480 upon x plus 3 is equal to 480 upon x minus 8. Now from here student, if we transfer this part to another side, then it becomes 3 is equal to 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x. From here, if we common this 480, then it becomes 3 is equal to 480 common, and here we got 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x. Now student, if we solve this, then we get, and if we transfer 480 to this side, then it becomes 3 upon 480 equals to, if we solve this, then it becomes x minus 8 multiply x, and in the numerator it becomes x minus 8. From here we can say 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18 and 0. We got 1 by 160 equals to, we got here x minus bracket opens x plus 8, and upon it becomes x square minus 8x. Okay, now from here x cancel, and now we have, now students we have 1 by 160 equals to 8 upon x square minus 8x. From here, if we cross multiply this, then it becomes x square minus 8x is equal to 160 into 8. From here, we can solve this like x square minus 8x. If we multiply this and transfer to this side, then it becomes minus 1280 equals to 0. Now from here student, we can say it becomes x square, if we make two parts of minus 8x, then it becomes minus 40x plus 32x. This whole comes from minus 8x. Okay, minus 1280 equals to 0. Now from here, if we take common, we got x minus 40, and here we have 32, x minus 40 is equal to 0. Now from here we can say x minus 40 and x plus 32 becomes 0. From here student, we have two conditions. First one is x minus 40 is equal to 0, and comma second one is x plus 32 is equal to 0. Now from here, if we say x is equal to 40 and we have x is equal to minus 32. Now student, we can see the question. We need to find the speed of a train, and we have assumed the speed of a train is x kilometer, and we know speed could not be in the negative. That's why this answer will be wrong. That means this is our right answer. We can say from here, thus the speed of train equals to x kilometer per hour. That means we have the value of x, that is 40 kilometer per hour. This is our answer. Okay, students, this question was asked by Sobit Yadav. Students, if you still have any confusion on this topic, then feel free to tell us. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Links are given in the description below. Thank you. Jai Hind.